Parts Life's motto is obsolescence solved, and our mission is to serve the warfighter and U.S. taxpayer. Rapid Obsolescence Planning and Execution Solution, or R.O.P.E, is Parts Life's process to fulfill our motto and mission. R.O.P.E is our response to obsolescence and part shortages, preventing mission readiness for major defense systems and subsystems in the Department of Defense's inventory. A comprehensive 6-gated process progresses through each step to ensure reliability, extending the life of mission-critical assets and ensuring mission readiness. Our registered methodology includes replication, repair, and remanufacturing possibilities along with SAR, or source approval requests, prototype, low-rate, and full-rate production options. You receive clear direction and guidance for asset readiness and optimization for the life of the system. The R.O.P.E process accommodates every aspect of DMSMS, or diminishing manufacturing sources and material shortages and obsolescence challenges, providing comprehensive, fully customized, full-service support for even the oldest assets. It enables swift, quality-driven responses to obsolescence concerns, ensuring cost-effectiveness by emphasizing robust engineering processes, broad market sourcing, and strategic procurement to increase mission readiness rates and achieve performance goals. From initial analysis of component availability through the process of data and prototype development, Parts Life supports a DMSMS effort through providing production units to the customer for the sustainment of an asset. Parts Life's capabilities include customized part solutions, lifecycle sustainment, service life extension, and lifetime support for every part our company supports for the life of the asset. At Gate 1, we evaluate and determine what technical data and/or sample parts are available. Does the customer own the TDP or technical data package? Is it complete and manufacturable? Is a spare or unserviceable part available? Parts Life engineers launch an Obsolescence Resolution Engineering Analysis, or OREA evaluation. Answers in Gate 1 set the direction and scope of the solution effort. When available technical data has been secured or sample parts have been procured, our team moves on to the reverse engineering process in Gate 2. Steps include identifying components, measuring dimensions, incorporating value-added engineering upgrades, creating CAD models, developing technical data packages, additive manufacturing for rapid prototyping of form, fit, and function. Every part and component are digitally modeled and assembled before moving forward with prototype development. The deliverable of Gate 2 is a complete, fully manufacturable, and validated technical data package, along with source approval request, or SAR, documentation and submission to the appropriate engineering authority in accordance with our ASD 9100D quality procedures. From here, we move on to Gate 3, where we have the technical authority review and customer approval on the TDP, and engineering authority source approval. Gates 4 and 5 are exciting. It is delivery of the first article for evaluation and testing. It may be an iterative prototype, a true first article, or even low-rate production, depending on the customer's requirements and DMSMS urgency. With the customer's final inspection and testing approval, we move on to the final Gate 6. Full-rate production. Using the technical data, material sources, work instructions, and processes created earlier, Parts Life fulfills our motto and mission. Obsolescence is solved. The warfighter is supported with available and mission-ready assets, and the taxpayer appreciates an efficient and cost-effective solution to maintain expensive assets. For more information, please visit partslifeinc.com.